Hi, I'm Dimitri, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to request time off in Clockify. Whether you need a vacation, a sick day, or any other kind of absence, Clockify makes it easy to submit your requests and keep track of your time off. Let's jump right in. First, we need to enable the time off feature. Let's go to the workspace settings and enable the time off option. Now head over to the time off section in the sidebar. To submit a new request, click the Request Time Off button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select the type of time off you need. You can choose from predefined policies, such as vacation, sick leave, personal days, or anything else. Then select the start and end date for your time off. You can also request a single day by double-clicking on a day. If the policy is set as hours-based, you'll request time off in hours. The process is the same as it is for days, but next to the date you need to insert how many hours and minutes you'll be absent, as well as the start and end time if needed. Once selected, you'll see your total available days and how much you're requesting. And if you want to, you can also add a description or a note to explain your request. Once you've entered all of the details, hit Submit. Since we're only requesting 1 week, 5 days will be deducted from our balance. We have Saturday and Sunday set as non-working days, which means they're automatically excluded from the total. Another important note is that if there's a holiday within your selected dates, they also won't be counted. If the selected time off policy requires approval, your request will be marked as pending. Whoever's in charge of the approval, be it your team manager or a dedicated person for that policy, they'll get an email notification about the request and your available balance will be reduced. From there, they can approve the request or reject it with a comment, and you will be notified by email. You can also request time off via the Clockify mobile app. Just open the app, tap on the time off section, and select Request Time Off. Then, just enter your request details and submit it for approval. If you need to cancel it, simply tap on the request and select Withdraw Request. Now let's say there was some mistake. You can withdraw your request while it's still pending. If you need to withdraw a pending time off request, you can do that by clicking on the 3 dots next to the request, and then on Withdraw. Your balance will be refunded, and you can submit a new request if needed. If the request has already been approved and passed, the approval can be withdrawn by your manager or admin. Instead of scrolling through all of the requests to find the one you need, you can just use filters. You can filter requests based on status, whether they're pending, approved, or rejected. You can also filter time off requests by a team or a specific team member. For example, let's say you've created a group for your team, like Team 3. Then you can choose this team in the filter and pending so that you can review your team's requests. And if you're looking for leave requests within a specific time frame, you can filter by date range as well. Now let's say you need to keep a tab of all of your time off requests. You can easily export them in Clockify. In the Requests tab, you can apply filters to select specific requests. Click on the Export button at the top right corner and choose if you want to export the file in CSV or in Excel format. These time off requests will be exported according to the filters that you've previously set. This includes the status of the requests, being pending, approved, or rejected, the users, and the time period. The Balance tab helps you keep track of your available time off. Here you can see how many days you have for each policy, how much time you've used, and if enabled, accrued days or hours for certain time off policies. The Balance tab also shows you the history of changes to your balance. Click on the 3 dots here and select History. Here you'll see a detailed log of every change made to your balance. This ensures full transparency, allowing you to track when requests were submitted, who approved them, and any updates to your balance over time. The Timeline tab lets you see who took time off and when across your entire team. It helps you see who is on leave and when, making it easier to plan workloads and avoid scheduling conflicts. For example, before you submit your time off request, you can filter out the people from your team to see if someone has already requested time off. If you're a manager, this feature is extremely useful for balancing team availability. You can check who has overlapping vacations and make informed decisions before approving or denying new requests. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to request and track your time off in Clockify. For more tutorials, check out our other YouTube videos or visit our help center for more information. Thanks for watching. See ya.